Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring Lufas Natural Park in Lagos. And the park is surrounded by beautiful greenery and nature. It's a lovely place for a family day out. There are lots of fun things to see and do. Here, the kids were so excited to explore the park. And look at this. The kids also got to enjoy horse riding, and what an exciting experience. We also enjoyed the train ride, boating and the adventure areas. There was something fun for everybody. We have such a wonderful day at Lufas Park. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more family adventures in Lagos. Bye!